Welcome to our meditation practice, where we become softer in our minds and movements. Please come into a comfortable meditation position that suits you today. Begin to close your eyes and listen to your inhales and your exhales. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. You are here, still in this moment. We will begin with 3 deep inhales, followed by 3 long exhales. Inhale, imagining a beautiful white light entering your body. Exhale, relaxing your jaw and moving your tongue off the roof of your mouth. Inhale that beautiful light into your belly. And exhale, releasing your shoulders from your ears. Inhale, letting that calming light into your lungs. And exhale, clearing your mind from any thoughts from your day. Focus this practice on repeating and believing the following affirmations. Speak them into existence. Breathe them into your soul and out into the universe. I am loved. The universe guides and supports me. I bring value to people's lives. I touch the lives of those around me. I am loved. The universe values my existence. I bring happiness to my loved ones. I am needed. I am loved. Flowing deeper into your practice, hold on to this mantra, I am loved. Believing this and feeling this and knowing this to be true. I am loved. We can sometimes forget how important and loved we are with our busy lives. I challenge you to find moments throughout your day to remind yourself just how magical you are, how appreciated and loved you are. We have to move throughout our days with the same tenderness and kindness you show others. You deserve to feel the magic within your love that you show the world. Take this moment to think about what you love most about yourself. Breathe this thought into your being. Inhale and exhale. Begin to bring awareness into your fingers and your toes, moving your head from side to side and bringing yourself to a comfortable seated position with your spine tall and hands at heart center. Thank you. Thank you deeply for taking the time to bring softness into your heart and a stillness into our universe. Let's move throughout our days with a love in our hearts for ourselves that touches others and inspires the world to be a little more kind. You deserve to feel the love you have within you because you are magic. Namaste.